Opening shot of ingredients. Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a delicious spicy chicken recipe. This dish is perfect for those who love a little heat in their meals. Let's get started. Cut to shot of chicken being marinated. For this recipe, you'll need 1 kilogram chicken, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Step 1 is to marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add the chicken, red chili powder, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, olive oil, and garlic paste. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Cut to shot of onions and peppers being sautéed. Next, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat some oil in a pan and add chopped onions and peppers. Sauté until they are soft and golden brown. Cut to shot of chicken being added. Now, add the marinated chicken to the pan and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Cut to shot of tomatoes being added. Add some chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they are soft and pulpy. Cut to shot of water being added. Add some water to the pan, cover it and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and the gravy is thick and flavorful. Cut to shot of fresh coriander being added. Finally, add some chopped fresh coriander to the pan and mix well. Your spicy chicken recipe is ready to be served. Closing shot of finished dish. And there you have it, a delicious and spicy chicken recipe that is perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching.